Hello friends, welcome to the Azure DevOps tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see how we do set up a team in Azure DevOps. In the previous tutorial, we have seen like how we create the organization and how we create project in Azure DevOps. So in this tutorial, we will see like how we set up a team in Azure DevOps. So basically like for creating a team in the Azure DevOps, before that we should have a organization in the project, because under a project only we can create a team. So basically what is the team? So a team is a group of the people, like it's a group of the developer, tester, scrum master, PO and like operation team, where they like do the planning of the product and like they develop it, they test it, and they like deploy it on the server or the production server. So like all this work they are responsible to basically that deliver the work, and that is called the team. And only a admin can add the team member, like it's depend on the permission, like which kind of permission people have. Based on that they can add the member to the team. So let's understand like how we set up a team into the Azure DevOps. So let's go to the URL. So like this is the URL which we have seen in the previous tutorials as well, like where we created the like project and the organization. So these two organization currently we are having, that is Azure course organization and Munish Sharma 16. So these two organization we are having, and we are working with the Azure course organization, and this is the project which we are working. So basically like when I click on this project, so like when we click on this project, we can see like this is the project, and here when you will go at the down, you are looking like project setting. Like here you can go to the project setting or you can add the team member from this invite as well. So let's add the member from here. So once you will click like when you will click like you want to invite the teams, so when you will click on the team, it will ask like add to the team for which project you want to add it. So here it like for this organization I have only one project, that's why it's taking only one project here. And like here you have to provide the email ID of the user which you want to add into this team member. So you can give the email ID. So like I will give .NET Office 16. So this email ID I am going to give here to add as a user to particular project. So like once you will select it here, you can click like at the down, you can see here the add button. Once you will click on this add, like then what you do, like after adding that, like here we got the message like added one user to the team, and now you go to this project setting. So once you will go to this project setting, here you will see one tab called team. So when you will click on that team, here you will see the particular team name, and this when you will click on this team name, here it will take you that particular page, and here you will see like the user which we have added just now, like in this .NET Office 16 @gmail.com. So this user currently we have added, that's why this user we can see here like. And now it depends on the permission, like what kind of permission you want to give to the user. So like for giving the permission, here at the right hand side corner you can see there are three dotted button. So when you will click on this, like you can remove it, and like if you click here you can remove from here. So it depends on us like how you want to like manage it, or like you don't want to manage it. But like suppose I want to give the permission to the particular user, then what you can do, like just go to this organization, and here basically like currently like when we add the team member, like the, let's go to again to that like this team, let's go to the team back, that project setting and the team. So I want to tell you like from here also we can add the new team. Like once you will click here, from here also we can add the member. So once you will add the member here, like we get a one mail from that particular organization. Like currently I didn't get any mail. So like if you want to resend that mail, like I added this member actually, but I didn't receive any mail regarding this So what we can do, we can resend that mail, and from where we can do that, just go to that particular organization and go to this organization setting, and when you will go to this organization setting of that particular like the team or the project, here you will see one tab called users, and when you will go to the users, here you will see both the email ID, and like once you will click here, you can do like more things, and like in the right corner side you will see three dotted button, and when you will click here, you can give like what kind of the things you want. And when I click on this resend invite, so it is saying like the invite has sent, like a resend organization invite, so it will send a mail to that particular mail ID if that mail ID having an account on like on the team, or basically as dev Azure. So like once you will send that invite, let's see like we got that mail or not. So we can see like we got the mail, like previously we were not getting, but if you want to resend that invite, what you can do, that you can come to that organization, click on the user and select that particular like mail ID or the user and three dotted button, and from here what you can do, resend invite, and when you will click on that, you will get a mail regarding this, and from here we can join that particular team, basically like join now. So from here you can join. So I have opened it in a incognito mode, so when I will click on this, it will ask us to log in the particular like Azure DevOps, so it will ask us to that. So this is the process, like we can add it. And apart from this, like if we want to give the permission like manage user, so when you will click on the manage user, you can give what kind of the like level, access level you want to give. You want to make it as a basic, as a stakeholder, or you want to as a Visual Studio subscriber. So what kind of the permission you want to give that particular user, we can manage it from here. And even like when you will click here manage user, here like for as a like for particular project, what you want to make it as a project leader, project contributor, or project administrator, we can manage that thing as well. And apart from this, there are so many things you can see here, like we can remove it and change access level you want to change, like basic and all these things like we have talked about. So all those things we can handle under this organization, but all the permission level things happen under this organization only. And on the team level, we can add the user only, and even we can add those user from the organization level also. So all these things happen, and you want to go back, just click here, and here you will see both the organization, go to the particular project, and from here you can manage the things like how you want to add the user or not. So all these things can be handled here. So that's it for all this tutorial. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.